Welcome back. Today is mail day. I'm very excited because I've ordered a lot of samples and I think they all arrived today. Let's check it out. It's always exciting when there's a key in your box. My plan was to do an unboxing with all these samples I ordered, and I'm still going to, but I think it'll be more fun with Elliot. So I'm going to take these home. I still have this package from last week. Elliot's probably not going to be too excited because he's going to want to keep some of these, and I have to explain that they're for sale and they're not for him, but I'm really excited to see his reaction when we open some of these, so let's go home.
Just one more night, and I'm coming on this long and winding road. I'm on the way, I'm on the way, home sweet home.
Okay, here we are. I brought all this stuff home, and Elliot is going to open it for us and let us know what he thinks about it. That one first?
Well, it'll get bigger and bigger. Whoa, the socks came for Daddy!
Whoa, these are cool. Those turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm gonna try one on while you open the next
Okay,
package.
this is the next biggest one. I make a very tiny little hole on the end.
That might be a little small for my leg.
Whoa!
New shirt. Elliot does not like how it has this bad word on here.
I think it's a very bad word.
But what do you think I should do?
Make one that says for kids, some bully stole my lunch money.
That's a great idea. That's a good color though. Do you like the color?
Yeah. And we got this again. You remember me wearing this? Yay! Arm matey!
So what do we got 3 shirts, some socks.
Where are the scissors?
You're good at that.
Stretch it out. And another shirt that is the same but different color.
There's that.
Now this one's hard. And another.
Basically, we just wanted to try this image on a lot of different colors. I think Mom's gonna like this color.
And here comes my favorite color.
This is your favorite color?
Yeah, yellow.
Cool.
And it's another. What's in the big one?
Look at that one.
And finally, the big one.
This one's very exciting. What is it? What's it gonna be? That's huge.
What in the world is this? Is this a bag?
It's a mermaid tote bag.
That's a huge one.
That is huge.
And this one is a little baggie with a zipper.
Cool. Oh, it's flat on the bottom. That's kind of cool.
Oh yeah, I can stand it.
I wasn't really expecting that.
And another big one. And let's see what this one is. And this is a blanket. A blanket.
It's a blanket?
Yeah.
No way.
Look at the inside like this. I want it.
Let's hold it up.
It's the bunny painting that my dad made one time.
That's a big blanket.
You guys can't even see it in the entire little picture for our camera.
Let's see how warm it is.
Oh yeah, that is so nice and warm.
So I'm not sure yet if these will be for sale. I want to inspect them closer and see if they're up to the quality that I like. But it was very fun to open all these. Do you have a favorite thing, Elliot?
I like the blankie.
The blankie, yeah. Well, that was fun. I was really excited to see Elliot's reactions on all that new stuff. But now let's get a little more in depth. So I was super excited about the socks, but I must say the material is kind of funky. and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's this very distinct line that goes down both sides of the sock. And I think I can fix that if I just added something to my image, like a black stripe that goes down. I think that would probably blend in. But the material's kind of funky, and I feel like I would sell these in the shop where somebody could feel them in person, but I'd feel weird about selling them on my website. So you might be seeing these available in my store, but probably not online. Next is the zipper pouch, which I'm very happy with. It's sewn together nicely. The zipper's super solid on here. It has a flat bottom. This one will be in the shop and on my website, and I'll probably have some other designs in different sizes. So stay tuned. Next is the tote bag. I have to hold this one way back because it's huge. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's almost identical to the same tote bags that I've ordered from the Society 6 website. It just doesn't have a Society 6 tag on it, but it's got a lining. The print turned out great, super strong construction, so these will be available in my shop and on the website. I'm not sure when, but hopefully soon. Elliot gets out of school in 3 minutes, so I better hurry up. There's really only a couple more things. The t-shirts, all of them turned out great in my opinion. The problem is choice paralysis, because the printer offers 40 different color shirts and I just can't decide which one to go with. So I think what I'll do is I'll probably put 4 of these colors on the website and maybe do a pre-order thing, and that will give me a good idea of what to offer. So we'll just see. But if I had to pick 2 favorites, it'd probably be the mustard and the heather gray. I also have the pirate shirt. I love how this turned out. Elliot's a big fan. This will be available in my shop and online. And last but not least is the fleece blanket. I can't show you the whole thing in the car because it's too big, but here's the up close of the fleece side, and here's an up close of the graphic. I think it's pretty fun to have a fleece blanket with my artwork on it, but it is polyester, so some people aren't polyester fans. The fleece side feels nice. One problem is the original painting that this came from is smaller than the blanket, which means I took a small image and made it larger. So you always lose resolution when you do that, but I just wanted to try it out and see how bad it really was, and it's not great, but it's not that bad. Right now, I feel the same way about the blanket as I do about the socks, where I would have no problem offering it in the store where somebody can feel it and hold it up and see it in person, but I may not offer it online because I might feel bad if you receive it and it's not what you were hoping for. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.
Yeah!
You have anything else to say?
Have fun on our next video. Bye!